Minister wa githomo George Magoha ni okireire atongoria a kiuteti iguru rigie ngucanio iri ikoretwo ikiyumiria cikonie gwikirirwo nganja kwa ikiro ciao cia mathomo thukuru-ini cia university guku bururi-ini. Akioneka kuorota muhuraniri wa giturwa kia ugavana kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja uria ukoretwo na ngucanio na university ya Nairobi. Magoha augite ni giconoko kinene ateti guthingiriria ripoti itare na uma.
I will not fight to say I am what I am not, and I'm not targeting anybody. So it is very shameful that people who want to be our leaders, and there are many of them, are fighting to prove that. If you had to ask me who are my classmates 46, 47 years ago at the University of Lagos, I'll give you a battery of them.
Magoha augite ni undu muhuthu muno gukurana kana mundu wanathomere university-ini imwe kana iria ingi kuhitukira mitaratara iria igathikitwo thukuru-ini ici.
It's like at the University of Nairobi, if you want transcripts of somebody who studied there in 1975, you just touch a button and you will get the transcripts. That's what I did there. And I must be proud of myself, because if I'm not proud of myself, who will be proud of me?
Thutha wa kuruguria kirathi gia CBC thukuru-ini wa airetu wa Pangani, Magoha augite thirikari ni gukinyaniria kioneki kiayo kia waki wa irathi 10,000 gukinyeria muthia wa mweri wa mugwanja.
1% of the 6,497 classrooms, which we are definitely sure are going to be completed by next week. I think it's only in Nairobi and Western and maybe 1 or 2 in Coast that are left.
Oho akiuga kuri na matanya ma kuhitukia namba ya irathi ici kuhitukira ngwataniro ya ene thukuru cia andu kiumbe.
In the position where we are now inspecting the many primary schools that they want to make standalone junior secondary schools like in Nairobi here. And I'm glad to say that we have agreed that they will make not less than 5,000 classrooms available.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.